How to fix Samsung TV horizontal lines on screen. A damaged HDMI port can cause horizon black lines on a Samsung TV screen. HDMI cables or audio-video cables connected to your TV are damaged. If you are using a streaming stick, then you can get black horizontal lines on the screen due to a faulty or damaged streaming stick. HDMI cables or input cables are not connected properly to your Samsung TV. T-Con board is damaged. Panel issue or internal hardware problem can cause horizontal black lines to appear on your Samsung TV screen. Samsung TV graphic card is not working properly. A temporary glitch or bug can cause this problem. To restart your Samsung TV, press and hold the power button on your Samsung. Now when your Samsung TV turns off and turns on, reboot, release the power button. Turn off your Samsung TV using the remote. Now unplug your Samsung TV from the power outlet. Press and hold the power button on your Samsung TV for 20 seconds. Now wait for 10 to 15 minutes. Now plug in your Samsung TV and turn it on. If the horizontal lines on your Samsung TV screen are moving, shaking, or fluctuating, then this means that the port is damaged. Problem with HDMI cables. Cables are not connected properly, or the device connected to the TV is damaged or not functioning properly. Try swapping the ports to see if the issue is resolved. If you have a spare HDMI cable, then use it. You can remove the cable, setup box, and streaming stick and check if removing them fixed the issue for your TV or not. If the lines on the Samsung TV screen are permanent and not moving, then this points to a hardware-related issue. Usually, this problem occurs when the panel is damaged due to water, weight on the screen during movement, drop. In this scenario, you need to contact the technician so that they can help you in replacing the panel of your Samsung TV screen. Remove the HDMI cables, AV cables, and cable box wire, then reinsert them into their dedicated port properly. Check that the HDMI cable or any other wire is not damaged. If the cable is torn or damaged, if the wires are damaged, then this is a common problem you are going to fix. To fix this problem, replace the wire with a new one. Check your port for damage. Remove the HDMI cable and reinsert it into the other port to see if the issue is resolved or not. If the issue is fixed, then this means that the port is damaged. Go to Settings. Now select Support. Select the Device Care option. Now select Self-Diagnosis. Now select Picture Test and press OK. Open Samsung TV Settings. Go to Support. Select Software Update. If this option is grayed out, then check this post. Select Update now. Again, open Samsung TV Settings. Go to the General option. Select Reset. Enter the PIN for completing reset. Default PIN is 000.0. Tried all the steps, but still seeing horizontal lines on your Samsung TV screen? Then we'll suggest you contact the Samsung TV technician, as they can help in fixing the issue with your Samsung TV panel or T-Con board issue.